Hello there. Check, check. 1, 2, 1, 2. How's the sound? Is the sound okay? Let me just check. Sound okay? Yep, sounds okay.
Stream Elements says Yadas is now live. Streaming software and game development. Game dev, upgrading our player animation.
Correct. And that is correctamundo. Animation. I think you were here somewhere. I remember a little bit what we were doing or trying to do, depending how you look at it. Okay. Let me just see what it looks like now. All right. Once I right click here, tags. And now we wanted to add something. When we right click, he stops it. And I started with this. Let me think. Maybe there is even an example for this kind of thing in the playables documentation. Let me just quickly go through it. That's the playable behavior that we copied, the play queue. Control the timing of the tree. How to play method playable graph. How to use pause method to pause a playable. And how to use set time method to manually set the local time of a playable variable. Okay, let's see. Creates it. Creates a playable output. It creates a clip. It sets the output to the clip. It then says play the graph. Stops time from progressing automatically. Then he pauses. On update, he sets the time. What is time? I guess it's a public float, so you can control it through the serialize field in the editor. So you probably just set the time manually to see what happened. Yes. I don't really want to pause him. I mean, does that work? Let me just say. Let me just check something. But I don't want to pause. I don't want to pause. I want to let it play. And when it finishes, I want it to stop, basically. Where is the clip playable here? I think we lose if we don't have it anymore. Could that be? It's here. The playable play attack down queue has them, more or less, right? If I go in there, I don't have it. It's not saved. Okay, so I'm gonna go in here. It doesn't work either. I'm gonna go in here. Right. This is what is being used every frame, basically. I kind of want to add the duration should be in here. There should be, let me think. Can you do something like this? Play, attack, down queue, pause. There's a pause. Did I add that? I think I added that. Let me see. Oh yeah. Pause queue. I kind of want to add like a, instead of pause queue, like a play next in queue, or loop queue. Let me think. In a way, I want two variables actually. I think this could be smart. One should be a looping. So is looping, while it's true, it keeps playing over and over again, right? So once it reaches the last clip in the list, it will play the next one, go back basically. If we set it to false, it should stop after it hits the last one, just in case we want to have like a chain of clips without looping back for whatever reason. I think that might be interesting to look at. So I'm gonna add this one first, make it a little bit more modular, let's say it like this. So bool is looping. No, it not is loop, is looping. Sometimes these tab systems, like tapping, doesn't work. Maybe I'm tapping too early. Maybe I should read what is being recommended. But that's okay, I think. Wait, give me a sec. This is a public. Do I want to be able to change this queue from the outside, I think? Yes. Do I want... I'm gonna leave it at yes. I want it to be settable from the outside. And I kind of want to initialize it in here with an bool is looping. And the default is default is false. And I want to add that is looping, yeah, like that, but not like this. All right. And now that we have this, we need it in here. Advance to the next clip if necessary. If time to next clip, I need to think. Is looping is controlling whether this queue should loop. How do I make sure? I need like a safe state. So I know if I played the queue once, right? How do you do that? I guess could make another boolean. I don't know. I don't know if I like that one. Because let me think. If I set it to is looping, right? Then I don't care how many times I loop. I just keep looping, right? If I want a one-time thing, then I just want it to stop once it's reset. Right? So I need like maybe a start time. Would that help? Like a start time? The question is, how do I reset the start time if I want to use it as like is one directional queue, not a looping one? How do I reset it back? Because I don't want to instantiate every damn time. I just want to trigger it and it should go through from the beginning. There should be like a cursor. It's kind of weird. You need like a variable to start the queue or a function, whatever, and you need a function to. Ooh, how do you do that? You need like a gate. Oh, I don't see notifications. All right. Let me try and first step by step. Let's do the is looping thing. So it starts here, right? If it has no input count, if it has no inputs, it just breaks, right? Leaves. The time to the next clip minus the delta time. The time to the next clip is set with nothing. It's basically 0. Delta time will be something, and it will probably go into the minus, right? So right off the bat, when you start the animation queue, it's in the minus and the negatives. Then we'll go into here, right? And it will then increment the clip index by 1. The current clip index is -1, so we'll start with 0, right? And then it will check if the current index is bigger or equal than the mixer get input count. If that is true, it will just set it to 0. This is the looping part, actually. This one is the looping part. Also it's a memory issue. So what we could do is say if it's looping, and no, wait, if it's not looping. Yeah. So first of all, do this basically. I don't know. I don't like that. First of all, up here, before you do anything, if is looping is false, and if the current clip index is bigger or equal. I don't like calling this every damn time. I kind of want to do this once. It's being done here 2 times. I don't like that. So I'm going to save it here. And is that an int? Get input count? It is an int. That's what I thought it would be. Okay. So I'm going to say input count. You could also just call this clippable clip count, right? I could also just save the clips. You don't want to save them. You want to lose them, get rid of them. So int clip count equals the get input count of the mixer, which means this will be clip count, this. And if the clip count is 0, we return. And if the clip, and if it's not looping, and the current clip index is already bigger or equal to the clip count, we also return. Then the question will be, how the fuck do I reset? How the fuck do I reset this if I wanted to? Right? I don't want to instantiate this playable. I want it to fire off the next time the wait is 1, basically. Thinking. My brains. This is also... The question is really, how do I reset it? And why? Like, how does it get reset? I guess maybe we should concentrate on the issue at hand, which should be... I don't need the public here. Maybe they do need the public there. What's your issue here? but why? I don't want it to be private. Let me just do it like this. Like this. Guess you don't need it that way. Why is this an issue? This looping can be made private, but why? I want to set it from the outside. Because it's not being set through the outside yet, probably. That's why. We can do that here. But let me just think. Is looping... I think this here is like the start, right? This one is for looping. So if is looping, whoa, is looping, and then reset it, right? What else? Here the clip gets set, right? If the cue is being played the first time, it will load the first clip. It will reset the time to start at 0 just in case. And the time for the next clip will be the animation clip length. So when this is reached, when this is 0 basically, or -0, whatever you want to call it, then the next clip will be loaded here, right? And here the weights of the inputs will be adjusted. That just means he will clip index. I don't need this here. Give me a sec. This one can also be removed. I have this everywhere. Holy fuck. Clip count. Where else? Here. Clip count. All right. What I meant to say is it goes through the clips until it finds the current clip, and every other clip gets weighted to 0. That's what this does, basically. kind of would rather fire events that get caught. Like, I'd rather have an event here that gets fired once a clip is finished and once the queue is finished. I think that would be better. Let me see if maybe there is something like this in here. There's some events in here. Control the place state of the tree. Create the mixer, set source, create the clip, connect the clips to the graph, to the mixer, set the input width. Then he says clip playable is paused, but if you place the graph, the clip will be played. Okay, pretty basic example. What is this? Several outputs. I mean, there's an audio clip playable and an animation clip playable. And I guess both get played. We just got played. Animator controller. Animation blend tree. Step 1. Update clamp weight. Okay, this is just it switches between 2 clips basically depending on the weight that you set in the editor. It's just playing a single clip. And then I want some more samples. Okay, let me see. Playables. Event. Unity. Does anybody use playables? What is the playable director? Let me check this one first. I don't like this. Wasn't there, let me check real quick. Wasn't there like an event thing in here?
There was a lot of
Duration, playable behavior, clip playable. Origins to available. Does he save the mixes? Wait a sec. Looks like he is saving them. So I can use them. Turn them on and off, basically. Audio mixer playable. But it's in the playable behavior, okay. He does have a top level mixer there. Where does he use the top level mixer though? He does keep a reference to it. I mean, it makes sense in a way. If you want to change it, you need a reference. Also, why we have a mixer here, right? Yes. Trying to think. Maybe instead of is looping, we will set this to keep looping. I think that makes sense. Keep looping. And while keep looping is true. Oh, I mistyped that. Keep looping is true. If keep looping, I'm gonna remove this. Okay. What do you want here? Hit argument name input. No thanks. Good with this. This one just sets the new clip, right? Right? Question is, how do I need to rebuild this in a way it loads the next one in the loop. Let me just think. This checks if it's 0, which it will be at the beginning, right? This one will update the clip index to be 0. Basically. I don't want to move this part to the end. I want to move it down here and change the clip to be the clip index to start at 0. I think that would make it better. Yeah, I'm gonna change this. I think this makes more sense. Also, you don't need to set it and too much. Okay, let me see. So this part here. You would put it like this, right? And then you do it like this, I think. Let me think real quick. Let me just try it like this now and see what happens. Does it keep looping if I do that? I think it should, but you never know. Bam, 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 bam. For some reason, it detects twice with the chop. And why? Because it goes over. If keep looping, true. And if the current clip is bigger or equal to the clip count, set it to 0, right? Then he updates it to be 0. And he goes back. Advance to next clip over time. That's what it means, over time. And this one is once duration of clip was reached or duration ended. Once clip ended, load. These I can write. Load next clip. Right. Get current clip and reset it. So if you set it to 0 here, right? Because it reaches its end. This is keep loop. This is basically back to loop or back to 0, whatever. It goes in here it loads the start of it. It sets the time to 0. It checks the length for the next time it needs to switch the clip and increases the current clip index. And that's wrong. I get it now. I get it now. This isn't the current clip anymore. This would be the next clip. Yes. When I change like this, then it is the next clip. Time to next clip. Then this would be next clip, that next clip. And this would be, I guess you could keep it, but I just don't like it starting at -1. What do you do then with the current clip? You don't actually do anything. You just get you set the time, okay. You load the duration, okay. And then you just increment the current clip index. If it's over than the clip count, you reset it to 0 so it keeps looping. That's everything that happens here, right? And the actual magic happens here, which just sets one of the clips, whichever is the current clip. I understand now what's happening. That's what's happening. I'm gonna revert back real quick so it's back to how it was. Oh, I'm gonna lose the... Let me just copy that. That's what I want, and I want this one to be -1 again. That's what's in here. This one, okay, we don't need that. Where was it? Was it here? Or was this? This was here, wasn't it? Yep. The fuck did that? Oh, I accidentally pressed building, I guess. Control B. All right, and what else? Not advance to next clip if necessary, rather over time. This means that every time this function is being called, we slowly go closer to the next clip. Let me just refresh this real quick so I can see what happens. Yeah, it works again. Okay. Okay. All right. I understand better now, but still the question remains, how the fuck? Fuck me. I'm dying. Yeah, I'm a little bit sick. A little sicko. All right. I need the keep looping thing, definitely, but I don't know. How do I want to do it? So I'm actually trying to do here is stop it from playing, right? Stop the damn queue from playing. Where is the playable used? Not even being used here. Doesn't look like it's being used here, right? Not being used in this method. Question is if you even doesn't make even sense. I don't know. Over here the clips are being set up, right? And this thing here is a playable behavior. And it should have a pause too, I think. Just to check something real quick. Didn't I check this earlier? Tag you playable? And doesn't look like it. I think it's not being kept. Okay, I'm gonna do it this way. And I'm gonna put it up here. Like this, and then wait, he's creating it though. What is this returning? A script playable. Then how it works. Or do I need to do it like this? I guess. And then you should be able to do stuff like this. Pause. And that way it stops playing. Maybe. I think this attacking thing isn't really working, but I'm gonna see what happens. Okay. That was weird. Instantly stopped, I guess. Is attacking false, and it gets set to true. I don't want to pause it instantly. I wanted to pause it after a while, you know. So this is already fucked. This is annoying. Annoying. What happens if I do it like this? Nothing. Maybe. Oh. I know why. Right. I hate this. Let me see if I can find like some Unity playables extensions. Okay, this is not what I wanted to. Set done? Wait a second. Set done. Is done. Get duration. Creating custom playables. Okay. We can pause this now, but this is also asked to pause it. I don't know if I want to keep it in here. I'm gonna leave it here for now, but you know, I'll remove this real quick. This is also unnecessary. This is just so I see that it works. All right. Okay, let me just change this back. And this doesn't work. Give me a second. I feel like this should instantly work. It's not resetting after. Why is it not resetting though? Why is attacking not being set? It's false. There is a. Where is it? There's this one. If is attacking is. Okay, wait. I think I know what's wrong. I think I'm stupid. That's why. Yeah, I'm stupid. I see now. I have been stupid. All this time, I have been the stupid one. So I need a boolean. A boolean value over here. I don't like this actually. This is kind of ass with the attack and don't attack. Let me think real quick. How do we do this? Change attack input. I mean, I kinda. This over here is also ass, okay? Just so you know, ass. I'll be happy when I can remove this. Boolean, does this make sense, man? I mean, you could do it like this. It's kind of stupid, but you can do it like this, right? You could say, do that. And it's not really... It should be play attack queue, right? And else should be stop attack queue. I mean, just... Where is it? Where did it go? This is kind of stupid, this one. Let me just try this, okay? Play, attack, Q. More like attack animation. Animations. Identifier not valid is the... Sure. If this is already true, then you return. Otherwise, you set the is attacking, right? Okay. And can you do that in here? Can you say, I want to add the... no, you can't. Okay. I kind of want to make a function that does both and both just use it. You know? Something like this. This is also kind of meh. I don't know. Update. You could control. I don't. Toggle? Toggle is a good. I want a toggle method. Toggle value. Bool value. Right? And then you just say if is attacking already is attacking equals the value, then you just return it. Otherwise, you set it to that value. That's how it should be. I don't need these anymore. Right? Why is this an issue? Redundant check before assignment? Oh? What does that mean? Why is this a redundant check? I guess you just said, I don't want to set it. Is that the reason? That's probably the reason. The reason is This just means but I don't want to set it every damn time. Fuck. Okay, sure. Right. Let's close something I didn't want to close. Can you use Control Shift T here? No, we can't. Okay. Open. Where's the last recent files or something? Okay, whatever. Wait, nah, I'm gonna Google it real quick. Writer, open, last, close, tab. Close Shift T. That should work. I guess not if you use the Visual Studio hotkeys. Visual Studio Control minus? Nah. No. Control minus does something else. Not it. I want to look that up, man. Alt F? Okay, whatever. Whatever's. Animation. Is it really in here? No, it's in the scripts, animations. I didn't want that one. What did I close, man? What the fuck? Did I close the player, didn't I? I closed the fucking player. Where is it? This one? Yeah. Instead of play, it's toggle and tech animation. And you don't need any of this shit. Well, sorry, like this. And you probably can even do something else, but I don't know if I want to do that. Value. No. Wait, attack input? Wait, are you telling me that the change attack input does not work? Why not? The change dodge input is a boolean. Is attack not a boolean? I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind. Why is this one static event action? This one is an action bool, actually. This one isn't. Why not, though? Where's this? The controls. It's the control. Can I just do it like this? Is that all I need to do? Value is pressed. That works, hopefully. Where is the tool? Where is the definition of this? Here. I'm gonna just do this. For now. I don't think he needs it, but what is this? And wait a sec, why is there another one? Why? And handle player tool. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Okay, it works again. And now we just need to make it stop. Need to make it stop. Use tool controls player. Why is this not working? Like, shouldn't this one be played? Let me just add this to the Unity editor. I thought I fixed it, but it doesn't look that way to me, sir. Yeah. Yeah, sure, it's false. Okay, I don't need to know that. Why is there a breakpoint? Oh, wait, what? Okay, sure. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, wait. I'm gonna remove this one for now and put it. I clicked right click there. Now I will put it here, right? And I want the, where is the toggle? This one, right? And then we'll just press play. He stops. Well, no, he plays it non-stop now, right? So I right click again. Okay. What's the value? Is it? It's true. I guess because I press play. Okay, I'm gonna skip it once. It checks only for his plate. Did I just see that correctly? I think I found my issue. There is no checking for is release, basically. Meetings. I've set this up completely wrong. Meetings. Controls. On use tool. Which one did I use for this shit? It's, where am I using this? I'm using this in the player. I'm using it here somewhere. Where is it? There. Player use tool. That's where I use it. Right? Player use tool. And player use tool invokes is pressed. On use tool. How many controls, right? On use tool.
AJR44 says 0. AJR44 says 07.
Hey, Pat. How's it going? I'm losing my mind. I made a little bit progress, but the input system is fucking me left and right. Is pressed. That's the issue. That is the issue, man.
AJR44 says a little progress is better than no progress at all.
That's true. That's true. Let me just check something real quick. Is pressed. There's only is pressed in here? Yeah.
AJR44 says your model was glitch for a sec.
Yeah, that's me. If I hold my like this. If the camera loses contact to my
AJR44 says I see.
Or if I drink something, that happens too. Call the exorcist. I'm annoyed. I am annoyed. I know not why it's happening, but still, I am annoyed. I'm gonna go back. So the issue is, the controls are so set up that you can only fire an event when the button is being pressed, but not hold. Is pressed. There's no is released. Is released? Why is there no is released? Invoke this one. Okay, wait. I think I know what might be causing this. Window. Wait, no, not window. Controls or inputs. Input. Oh, wait, no, not that one. Button. Button. Why is there derived byting? Virtual mouse, right? I am confusion. Layer and set flow, set pool, animate. This is being called every up. see if that works. I have no clue, but maybe. Please work. No, I don't want the breakpoints. Stop. Nope. It's not working. It's not stopping. Why is it not stopping? Let me see what happens. I don't want to see this, but I would like to the animator. Wait a second. Why is this being called? Behind the player? Nah. Oh, okay. That's why it's being called. Okay. False. Okay, I'm pressing right click. Now, is the tagging is true? Correct. And now I press right click again. And this is what's pissing me off. Why is it not updating the Boolean? Problem
AJR44 says you got this.
I got this eventually. If it takes me 2 years, it will take me 2 years. Didn't want to. How do I close this thing again? I don't want this. No, nope. Why is this even here? I like that. Okay, I see. The question is, why is this not being called? Why? It is being called. Why is it true though? Why is it? Why is it true? Player and bool. Why is it different here? Something is off with the inputs. I don't understand why. Press only on space. What about run? Press and release. If that works, now I'm gonna lose it. Okay, wait. Need to remove the breakpoints again. Think. At least it looked like I need the breakpoints. Oh. I mean, close enough. Cool feature. Close. So while I hold right click, it keeps attacking. And wait, I think this is correct. Actually. Yeah. When I stop right clicking, it stops the animation. This is how the code works, right? Currently. So we get in here now. This is good. This is progress. Okay, progress. And now I just need to, instead of setting the input weight to 0, this is basically toggling the input off. Instead of doing this, I need to let the animation play out and then set it to 0. Yeah. Okay, but we're almost there. So we have a script playable queue here. The attack down queue playable. I kind of want if is attacking is true, set the input weight. Kind of don't like that. Kind of would rather check if, let's see if we can do that. Attack player queue playable. I need like a get clips or something. Get current. It's a little bit complicated. Okay, I know what to do. This is not the way to do it. This one here. I guess it's just for testing purposes. Okay. What happens if I do it like this? Probably the same, right? Nope. That might be because the input weight is not being set in the beginning. Let's do it here. Yeah. This is the same thing. Okay. We're almost there. We just need to figure out how to play only the clip till the end and not the whole queue. There should be like a function to just say stop after current clip. That's the function that I need. Stop after current clip. Right? I think. Let's go in here. Oh, wait, what? Change all local. No, I just want to have this. Dang it. Let's see if this works. Can you do that? Cannot resolve symbol. Doesn't like that for some reason. This looping also doesn't work, huh? Oh, this is annoying. This is gonna be annoying. Fuck. Maybe you need deep. Can you do it like this? Get play state? Shit. Get handle? Wait a second. Did I get behavior? Could have maybe done that? What does this return? Play queue playable. Maybe that's the way to go. What was this called before? Fuck me. Create graph. Let me check real quick in the Unity example. Almost done, almost done. Playable graph, create. This is the one, yeah. Play queue playable. Play queue. Okay. So wait, isn't this kinda wait, it's redundant as fuck. What? Let me just need to see this again. I understand the graphing. Then you have a playable and you have the play queue. But the play queue get behavior. Play queue playable get behavior. Okay, but isn't the play queue also play queue is play queue playable? That's kind of why it's confusing. The play queue is type play queue playable. Get behavior. That's confusing as fuck. Okay, anyway. Attack down queue. And this one is attack down queue playable. Wait, we can this one this way. Okay. And that way we can remove this one. Stop after current clip.
AJR44 says Yasha is waiting.
I saw, yes. I will join you guys soon-ish. I just want to know if this is how you do it. Stop after current clip. Keep looping. Keep looping is...
Dhaka Prime 1 says there you are.
Hello there. False. I just want to test this very quick and then I will join. I'm gonna write everyone else real quick. There resounds. Okay. Once everyone joins, I will leave instantly. Okay? I also wrote Leo. So until they are there, I'll just keep streaming and try to fix this. All right. Step after clip, keep looping, and then we need a keep looping logic. We need to stop looping once the time to next clip is... Wait, where was this? This was in here, huh? I'm gonna do it here instead, I think. How do you do this? Once clip ended, load next. And you will only do this if keep looping is true. If it's not true, I will return here. What happens then? Blah. Sneeze. Leo, right? Leo needs 10 minutes. Just so you know. If you hear me. Okay, let's see if this works. Probably won't, but I just want to see. Okay, what the fuck just happened there? It's interesting that the fucking bag is in front now.
Dhaka Prime 1 says you forgot an if statement and a semicolon.
I don't think I did, but... Where? Where?
Dhaka Prime 1 says no, I'm not a computer scientist.
No, I don't think so, because it works. It's just no errors in here. This is some other stuff. You can ignore this for now because I'm in the middle of setting up the animations, but the script works. What I'm kind of confused about is that the bag is in front of the character now. And that nothing changed. Did nothing. It did nothing. And it keeps playing forever. Maybe I'll do it like this. Mixer underscore wait, it was up here, right? This one. No, I'll do this differently. Wait a sec. I'll keep this here. And I will do this way. Oh, I don't have to clip it. I also did not want to use this one. I wanted to... Didn't he play animator? It's here, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, I'll do it. This doesn't make any sense though. Ah! Is this annoying? I guess once it's done, I want the... Can you pause it? No. Guess I could pause the mix or... I don't know if this works, but... Nope. Keep looping. Keep looping is true. Except if I accidentally... Nope. Check down queue playable. It's complicated. Time to next clip. Get animation clip. Clip. Alright, I'll need to put more effort into this. We got a little bit closer, but I'm not there yet. I don't like the pause in here. What does it do here? Checks if it's in here. He sees that there's a clip there. He says, time to next clip is this amount of time. If it's under 0, then he checks if he should keep looping. If he shouldn't keep looping, then he returns. Otherwise, he would keep going. He would check the next clip. If the clip is higher than the clip count, you reset it to the first clip. Then you load the clip. Then you set the time to 0 in case the clip was already played. And then you save the length of the clip to time to next clip. And then you reset all these clips. So it's maybe instead of doing it like this, I will do it like this instead. Nah. God dang it. Why is it false though? I'm confused. Why does it keep calling this one? Is attacking is currently false. Does it exist? What do you mean it does not exist? Is attacking is true now? True. Nothing happens here. Okay. Okay, he keeps calling this one now. And he's stuck in here doing nothing. Is attacking is false. He goes in here. He sets the keep looping to false. And then he checks it and he notices I should stop looping. And then he leaves. Right? What happens if step current clip? Nothing much actually. It just stops the old clip from loading. Let me check how far. Oh, almost everyone's there. Only Leo missing. This is not working yet for some reason. Keep looking.
AJR44 says join us. AJR44 says chop chopo.
Chop chopo. Oh, I think I know why. I think I'm a retard. I think I'm a retard. Guys, I'm a retard. Oh. I just call it this. Doesn't really matter what you call it. I just want to see that it works. I'm a retard. No. Okay. Okay, stop. Okay, almost. I can switch between attacking now. Which one do you like more, huh? Okay, almost there. Okay, but I'm gonna stop now. I'm gonna join you guys. Thanks for joining my stream.
Dhaka Prime 1 says 22.
22. And see you. Bye-bye.